Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disable find my device in our technophone. Friends, you want to disable your find my device in technophone. So friends, you can disable it, and guys now let's see how to disable find my device in technophone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable find my device, then scroll it guys. So friends, you can see this type of setting guys. Click on guys your security setting, phone security setting guys. Third option guys, you can see find my device. First tap here. So is your find my device enable, and guys you want to disable in your techno phone, so as you can disable. So as after disable guys, if you lose this device, so as you cannot track, as you can see. So you want to enable it, so as you can enable, and guys you can use your find my device setting to after enable it. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable find my device in our technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.